Everyone, in this presentation we are going to see how to interface a buzzer with RP2040 in the carrier board from Vi-Microsystems. Here you can able to hear the buzzer sound. So where the buzzer which is connected to the RP2040. So this is the buzzer which is connected to RP2040 carrier board, where we are able to producing the necessary sound as you hear beep 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 beep. So if you look at the code, it's very simple. It is written in Python. You are able to see the first line which is highlighted, which shows that from the machine library we are importing the pin function, and the second line we are importing the sleep underscore millisecond function from the time library, and we are configuring the buzzer. We are configuring the buzzer to the pin 6 of RP2040 board, and it is configured as output because the buzzer is an output peripheral. And in the while true, it is in the while loop, we are giving the buzzer value as 1, and then we are giving the buzzer value as 0. In between, the on time we are giving it as 100 millisecond, and the off time we are giving it as 900 millisecond. And then while running this, we are able to hear the sound. Now if I am changing the on time and off time to 900 millisecond and 100 millisecond, 900 millisecond and 100 millisecond, let us see how best you are able to receive the sound means. Let me run this. Okay. So here there is one small error which it shows here is buzzer means BU. So the spelling mistake here. So the buzzer. Now the buzzer is clear. Now the delay has been changed. Now you are able to see the on time is more and off time is less. So you are able to see the on time is more and off time is less with respect to this buzzer. Now on time and off time both are equal, something like a vehicle indicator. If you want to do something like a vehicle indicator as 0.5 second on and 0.5 second off, and if you run this code, now we are able to hear some sound which is similar to the vehicle indicator. We are able to hear some sound which is similar to the vehicle indicator. So like this, whenever you want to notify some activity through some buzzer for any of our embedded system project, we can use this buzzer in the RP2040 carrier board, which is very much useful for us to develop several embedded applications, which includes buzzer notification also. Thank you very much.